Well, one Naples man certainly does, and he may have found the solution to it. He looked up into the sky, saw a way to preserve a little piece of history and relieve stress at the same time. Kristen Emery shares his secret.
When Matt Kurke opens the hangar door, it's as if he's unlocking a vault and letting us in on his prized possession. The 1951 Cessna L19 bird dog is in mint condition now. A few years ago, it was dusting crops in Missouri. But Matt found it, bought it, and replaced everything, including the engine and cockpit windows during a complete restoration. His friends pitched in, but Matt provided most of the elbow grease.
They did basically all of the sheet metal work. I did all of the paint work and the detail work. I figured it would take 6 months, and I spent 22.5 months on it.
Every piece is authentic. These camera pods used to house surveillance lenses. Now Matt stashes camping gear in them.
Naples Airport, ATIS information, Foxtrot, time 1349, Greenwich weather.
Soaring in a warbird wasn't always his dream, but flying was always in his blood. It all started with his father.
I just remember plundering around the hangar when he'd be busy, and, you know, you'd find little things in their toys, and you look forward to going to the airport with Dad, and I guess that was the seed.
Matt calls the old Liaison plane his ultimate escape machine.
It's slow and it's noisy, but you're just in another world. You have to concentrate on what you're doing, and, you know, you can be stressed, you get in it, and it's a different world. It's just great.
His pet project has won several awards, but he says titles and trophies are not his motivation. Just finishing the project and taking off in it every week are the best rewards. In Naples, Kristen Emery, Eyewitness News.